Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Marshall Emberton III portable Bluetooth speaker, a stylish, compact powerhouse that delivers high-quality sound wherever you go. Fire! Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Musical notes: classic Marshall sound in a portable package. The Marshall Emberton III brings you that signature Marshall sound. Black check mark, clear highs, full mids, and deep bass. Black check mark, 80+ hours of playtime, keep the music going all weekend. Black check mark, portable and durable, perfect for outdoor adventures and travel. High volume, Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity. Enjoy wireless freedom with Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable and quick connection to your devices. Whether you're connecting to your phone, tablet, or laptop, the Emberton III makes pairing effortless. High voltage sign, rugged and waterproof. Black check mark, IP67 rated waterproof, perfect for the beach, poolside, or even in the rain. Black check mark, shock resistant, built to withstand drops and rough handling. Fire, why you should get it. White check mark, signature Marshall sound, full, rich audio experience. White check mark, up to 80 hours of playtime, long-lasting battery life. White check mark, rugged and waterproof, built for travel and outdoor adventures. White check mark, Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity. If you want a high-quality, portable speaker that delivers epic sound wherever you go, the Marshall Emberton III is a fantastic choice. Fire! Check out the link below for the latest deals. Let me know in the comments what you think about this speaker, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Rock it, high volume.